Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Charles Schwab account with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund Splitwise transactions with your Charles Schwab account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, first log on to Splitwise. Then click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Add a Funding Source. Now on this page here, click on Bank Account. Then next, you're going to go ahead and click on Continue on the bottom hand side. Next, click on Continue again. And then from here, you want to scroll down and then click on Charles Schwab. So on this page here, it's going to prompt you to log into your Charles Schwab account so that you can go ahead and select which accounts you want to connect to Splitwise with. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.